So the extensions as they kind of, as you see them, are like this. So this is once the hair's been treated with Dream Coat. So you'll see the hair is super, super silky, really shiny. And you know, again, it has that mirror-like radiance to it. So you can see the shine and the gloss from the roots to the tips. But I thought it'd be really interesting to show you how the extensions come in. So this is, forgive you that, this is generally how I got the extensions. So when they can come in, you know, and they're dried naturally, they kind of dried and frizzy and have that kind of unruly texture and don't really have any shine at all. So you can see, you know, the blend is not going to be there. So once this is treated in the Dream Coat, blown out, and then lightly put the irons over the top, you'll get that complete difference of hair texture, and you see the complete transformation as well. It's like literally night and day. Okay guys, so when you're putting extensions in at the front, I always like to work on a diagonal. So I'm only going to fill out the hair as it needs it, which is this layered section at the front. I'm going to measure my section, and we're keeping the hair on that diagonal section in pattern, just so the hair falls around the face. I'm going to use this Super Bond glue. It's just a hair weft glue, which basically washes out when you shampoo the hair. Okay, so we're going to get the extension, we're going to put that right in towards the front, and then we're going to use a hairdryer on the cool setting just to set that into place. To make sure you can't see the extension, what I'm going to do is use my secret weapon. This is the Colorwell Root Touch Up Mineral Powder. Now what's great about this is it blends in any extensions and tracks and basically hides this for me. I'm just going to fill this in using the smaller end of the brush, and I really load it up, and it literally blends in the extension and completely covers it up, so there's no chances, no matter how HD that camera is, that you're going to see the weave.